These machines became masterpieces of the 21st century and have already shown their superiority during Syrian campaigns in battles with terrorist forces. Both of these fighter jets were designed to outperform potential enemies' latest aerial defense systems and surpass them in aerial battles. What the Su-57 is capable of. A Su-57 can accelerate to supersonic speed in dry thrust and can maintain this speed for the duration of the flight. It will be traveling at 1.6 Mach, which means around 2,600 km per hour, depending on the nature of the locations being flown over. The engine will also significantly improve the Su-57's low signature thanks to the use of new composite materials, says Professor Vadim Kozyalin of the Academy of Military Sciences. The most up-to-date airplane must be equipped with the most state-of-the-art weapons. In addition, air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles and a 30mm cannon, the plane will be outfitted with a variety of bombs that will be concealed inside the fuselage rather than suspended beneath the wings to reduce the plane's signature on enemy radars. Furthermore, Russian troops tested some of the armaments that will be installed on fifth-generation fighter planes during the Syrian campaign. As a result, the Su-57 is being considered for the OFSAB 500 high-explosive fragmentation incendiary aerial bomb and the ODAB 500 PMV fuel-air explosive aerial bomb. Simultaneously, all versions of armaments for the Su-57 are being tested, and these Hawks will enter the Russian Air Force very soon, armed to the teeth with the most up-to-date weaponry. Pros and cons of a Su-57 comparing to F-35. Supersonic cruising capabilities and supermaneuverability are important to Sukhoi because of its advanced aerodynamic design and ability to control the thrust vector. The F-35 fighter's concept, according to Russian media, is to ensure an attack before the enemy detects its aircraft. Wang Yongqing, the chief designer of China's Shenyang Research Institute of Aircraft Engineering. Dmitry Smirnov, a Russian aviation expert, concurs with his Chinese counterpart. He points out that stealth technology is constantly evolving in the United States, and that its use in new aircraft, including the F-35, is decreasing. We have to pay for the deterioration of the aircraft's flight and tactical properties with a catastrophic increase in its cost for stealth technology. The same F-35 creates between $100 to $120 million. The Russian Su-57, on the other hand, is worth around $35 to $40 million, according to the expert. In comparison to the Su-57, the F-35 has weaker weapons, a limited range, a subsonic cruising speed, and, worst of all, it is doomed if detected because it cannot evade an attack. This provides the best tactical opportunities for the Su-57, the main American jet's main competitor.